Hi, Bolt Builder friends. Chris from Chris Codes with Bolt here with a day 11 update. I haven't recorded anything in the last few days. Just been working on the front end and nothing terribly interesting to add. In fact, it made me think that sometimes, uh, frankly, the things we have to do in order to find or get to our end result, the things we have to do are tedious, maybe even boring at times. But inevitably, I get to the end of the process that maybe I'm not enjoying, and I find that I've learned something, and or I've found myself enjoying a little victory. For example, the other day I created a very simple landing page, uh, lifelegacy.me, which was right there. And this is not at all the permanent landing page, but it's an invitation for folks to join the beta uh, tester program. Um, and so I put this up a couple of days ago and announced it in a video. I had no response. Until suddenly this morning I found that someone had signed up. So that was a little bit of a victory, a nice way to start the day. I hope that you will uh, become a beta uh, tester for me. Um, in exchange for your feedback, I will give you lifetime free access to the platform if you want to use it. So please consider going to lifelegacy.me and joining the beta program. I would really appreciate it. In the meantime, let me talk a little bit about what I've been doing. I have, I think, finally finished enough of the front end development to get ready to, in the next video, integrate the database. So just let me show you what I've done here. This is the page that the users will arrive on. It's a dashboard, but there's not that much dash in the dashboard. However, I am building an onboarding assistant, and that will be connected here. I'll make a video on that as well. I've been working on there's my notes for what I need to be doing. I've been working on a prompt a couple hours today on this assistant, and I'm going to try it out. Try to get try to get it to work. I need to, because the assistant will be collecting data, I need to do the Supabase integration first. But I'll show you those steps as they come. So this is the dashboard. Much of this you've already seen. Authorized contacts. Let me explain a little bit about what the authorized contacts are. These are two trusted individuals that the user selects who will each have their own, I guess, secret key. So in the case of the user's incapacitation or death, the two authorized contacts will have to work together by going to the authorized contact portal, enter their individual keys, and when those two keys are entered into the system and verified by the system, the authorized contacts will have access to the user's data. So that's a functionality I'm building in. If you're familiar with, it's called SSS, Shamir's Secret. What is it? Shamir's Secret something. Um, it's that kind of functionality that keeps everything encrypted until the point when the two authorized contacts share their secret keys, and together they will have access. digital accounts. I created these, in the last video, you heard me tell you that we needed to update the forms for each of these individual account types. I've done that, and I've created a accordion style list here. So once the user adds to any of these accounts, those accounts will appear in the associated column. Digital devices, much the same. Digital assets. I struggled over this one, but I thought, so many people use crypto now. So many people have NFTs and that sort of thing that I would leave this as an option for folks. Digital documents management, same idea as before. Have the accordion style, so people can access physical documents, Finder, the lockboxes, and safe, all of that. The same planning. My afterlife planner, I've kept the progress bar here. I might change this up a little bit, but I kind of like this. I think it's pretty important, and it changes up the look a little bit. Healthcare directives. If you're a pet owner like I am, I want my dogs well taken care of. After I get hit by the proverbial bus and can't take care of them anymore. So we have the pet care directives. Trusted advisors. This relationships and support network is all about the people that you want notified of your incapacitation or death, and maybe even how you want them notified. Or I added this legacy story module because I thought it might be fun for some folks to write their own stories, to tell, to essentially write down stories of their life if they want to. They don't have to. It's totally optional. Or add life events. Graduated from high school, graduated from college, got married. First child born, all that sort of thing. Digital memories for photos, videos, and audios. Videos, I'll show you. Videos, I'm not going to be storing videos. Rather, the videos will be kept as URLs, YouTube, Vimeo, Loom, whatever. I just don't want to use up that much database storage. And family tree, very simple, but it may be helpful. If you know your great grandparents' names and that sort of thing, it'd be fun for folks to be able to access that. Account settings, my profile. I've updated this page a little bit, and finally we have the subscription page. This is just boilerplate. I have not connected anything at this point. This will come a little bit later. So that's where we are. I will be uploading a video probably later today or tomorrow, just on the Supabase integration and how that goes. I'll actually just do that live and see what happens. So I wanted to thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope this is interesting. I hope if you have questions, you'll ask them. If you have comments, you'll share them. And I really do hope, and I invite you to become a beta user. If this is a platform that you feel might be of some use, and I would love your feedback. So please go to lifelegacy.me, and I have a little tally form here. Yes, your first name, your email address, and you're in. So thanks for considering that. I really appreciate it. And I will see you tomorrow. Thanks again for joining me on this building public journey. And hopefully the Supabase integration video tomorrow will be interesting. All right, take care.